Hello, Princeton families and community members. I'm Elgin Card, Superintendent of Princeton City Schools. I'm here to discuss concerns we've heard from the community about improvements for equity and safety we are making at Jake Sweeney Stadium. Since I was hired as superintendent in August of 2023, these upgrades have been openly discussed in board meetings, which have aired on ICRC TV and the Princeton Vikings Facebook channel. We understand that it may seem like the start of this project coincides with the timing of the upcoming levy. This perception comes because a significant portion of the work will begin after the close of this year's football season. However, I want to be clear. The work on our facilities, including the tennis courts last summer, has been part of the overall plan for some time. It is important to note that these upgrades were incorporated into our district's master facilities plan, and they do not require a bond issue. To be clear, we are not building a new school. These are targeted improvements designed to serve our current needs with a fiscally responsible framework.
Hello, Viking Nation. My name is Joe Roberts, Athletics Director for Princeton City Schools. Safety is our top priority. Our facility master plan has been designed to create a more secure, inclusive, and healthier environment and facility for our students and community. We're making upgrades to ensure the well-being of our students and our visitors. We're installing separate entrances for the visiting teams and the home teams, improving outdoor lighting, and enhancing Wi-Fi access across all facilities. Additionally, we'll be addressing the safety concerns around where cars and student buses will park, making it a safer environment for our students and community to enter and exit our facility.
We are also committed to equity. We'll add a dedicated girls' locker room and upgrade our spaces to be more accessible for our students and visitors in wheelchairs. This includes increasing handicap parking and ensuring all areas comply with accessibility standards. We believe everyone deserves equal access to the resources and facilities.
Hi, I'm Delaney Benjamin, and I'm a senior at Princeton High School. I've played varsity soccer and have been a part of the Pride of Princeton marching band for all 4 years. I love doing these activities as it gets me involved in the school and has allowed me to meet a lot of my closest friends. But an issue that I have with these sports or these activities is that at the stadium, we do not have a women's locker room. And this can be an issue when we're trying to change or trying to get ready for a game or a performance. There's nowhere for the girls to go to be able to get ready and have space. The only room that we have are these tiny stalls in the regular bathrooms where all the other fans and attendees have to go to the bathroom as well. And seeing that the male locker room is ginormous, it just doesn't seem fair to have the males have it but the women don't.
We know just how important it is to keep our facilities in top condition. We're addressing several long-term issues, including upgrading the building, which is prone to flooding, so it should withstand up to a 100-year flood condition. The concession stands and plumbing will be brought up to code and health standards. We're replacing the 40-year-old locker room. Our bathrooms will also be updated to better meet the needs of our community. With growth and improvements to come, growing pains are a part of the process. We are committed to ensuring that while this temporary inconvenience affects our student athletes, the long-term benefit will greatly enhance the overall Princeton experience for years to come. Our goal remains to provide the best practice and opportunities for our students and community.
Hi, I'm Tricia Roddy, Director of Communications for Princeton City School District. All of these improvements will be funded through our general fund, and they will represent just 1% of our total operating budget. It's important to note that these projects will move forward regardless of the outcome of the upcoming levy. This includes replacing the turf on our fields, which is long overdue. Typically, turf needs to be replaced every 10 to 13 years. Our base layer is now beyond repair since it wasn't replaced when the turf was last upgraded 10 years ago. This payment represents approximately 1% of our annual operating budget. These funds will come out of our general fund, not a capital fund, which means we are managing these improvements within our existing financial structure.
We understand the perception of the start of the actual work of this project will look like it is tied to the levy. It is not. These are items that the Board of Education has approved that do not require a bond levy to be voted on. Thank you for your questions and allowing us to clear up any misconceptions. Together, we're preparing our students for college, career, and life success. Have a great day, and as always, go Vikes.